Good morning, guys. This video is just really quickly going to show you how to fix an error that I saw as I was viewing my course as a student. One of our hidden assignments in the assignments tool came over as unhidden, and so we need to make sure that that is hidden and not visible to students. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Once you're logged into your classroom, up here in the this purple band here, if you'll click on the arrow next to tools, pull it down, click on assignments, and then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. All of these should be open and available to students. Anything in the alternative assignment. So if you see anything else pop up that's not hidden, that should be hidden. So everything in the alternative assignment section should be hidden from students, and everything under the hidden items should be not visible for students. So scroll down to 5.12. and you'll see it does not have the little crossed out eyeball here, so we're going to pull this arrow down next to it, and we are going to hide from users. Once you do that, just verify that it happened the way it is supposed to happen, and it does have the little eyeball. And then again, please just verify that all of the assignments in the hidden category are actually hidden, and all of the assignments in the alternative assignments is hidden. If you guys need help with anything or have questions about it, let me know. Thanks.